आप सुन रहे हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की साई न्यूज में ऑडियो बुलेटिन।
You are listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 16 September 2020. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh says the India has deployed armed force along the LAC and the counter China's development and the safeguard the borders. India allies the Pakistan National Security Advisor and the deliberately the projected a fictitious map. Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Package Insure Scheme in the health worker fighting COVID-19 extended for the another 6 months. In Bihar, 29 people killed due to the lightning and the rain related incidents in last 24 hours. Recovery rate of the COVID-19 reaches the 78.28%. Government says there is no shortage of oxygen cylinder in the country. IT giant the Bill Gates India's role the manufacturing supply of the COVID-19 vaccine will be the critical in the containing the pandemic globally. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh yesterday asserted that the India remaining committed to resolving the current issue in its border and areas through the peaceful dialogues and the consultations. Mr. Singh said India believes the mutual respect and mutual sensitivities and the basis of peaceful relation with the neighbors. Making the statement of the Lok Sabha LAC situation, the Defense Minister said the India want to resolve the current situation through the dialogues. He said the India has a continuous maintaining diplomatic and the military engagement with the Chinese side. India has said that the Pakistan NAS the deliberately projected the fictitious map and the Pakistan has recently propagating at the meeting of the National Security Advisory member states and the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. In the response to questions of the yesterday meeting, NASA's and the SCO's member, State External Affairs Ministry spokesperson Anurag Srivastava said there was a brilliant discarded to the diversity by the host the Russian against it in the violations and the norms of the meeting. The Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Package, the insurance scheme for the health worker for the fighting COVID-19 has been extended for the another 6 months. It was the announced on the 30th March. There was the period of the 90 days. It is extended for the period of the 90 days, 25th September. The scheme has been extended for the another 180 days. The center sector scheme provide and the cover for the insurance cover for the 50 lakhs rupees to the healthcare providers, including the committee health workers who may be have the directed contact care for the COVID-19 patient and therefore at a risk of being the infected. In Bihar, 29 people lost their lives and 11 injured in the lightning, the rain-related incidents during the past 24 hours. Highest casualties of the 5 were reported from the Kaimur, the district, followed by the 3 each and the Bhojpur, Gopalganj and the Rosha district. Remaining 15 casualties were reported from the 10 other states. The government has said that the period of the lockdown help for the national create require the additional health insurance in the country. In the writing reply, the question answering the Lok Sabha yesterday, Home Minister said that are the per the estimation for the decision lockdown prevents and the 14 to 29 lakh COVID cases and 37 to 78,000 deaths the country by the slowing down the spread the pandemic. It says that during the lockdown period the dedicate the isolation beds and the record increased the 22 times and dedicate ICU beds about the 14 times to what the extent in the March 2020. The recovery rate of the among the COVID-19 patient has reached 78.28%. In all, 79,292 COVID patients recovered and were the discharged from the hospitals in the 24 hours. The Health Ministry said the total number of the recoveries has reached the 38,59,399. It said that the the increasing recovery ensure that the actual case load for the country is reduced. Currently comprises and only 20.08% in the total positive cases. The Health Ministry, he has said there is no shortage of oxygen cylinder in the country. Briefing the media, the New Delhi, the Union Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan said now the capacity for the production of oxygen slightly more the 6,900 metric ton. The replying the media the query, Mr. Bhushan said the to each state need to ensure the proper inventory management so oxygen can be replenished in the time. The health minister said that RT, PCR and the rapid antigen testing are RAT, the capacities for the substantially the scale up the all the state. In the tweet, the ministry said that every day on the average of more than 9.5 lakh samples the tested by the government labs and the more than 1.2 lakh sample in the private labs. It said the rate India has the slate and the overtake the US in the testing. The ministry said that while the numbering of the Delhi's testing has the increased and integral part of the chase for the virus strategy, state has been the advice that all the symptomatic negative of the rapid antigen tests and the mandatorily subjected to RT-PCR. You were listening the national level bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India on the 16th September 2020. Same bulletin will be telecast on the 17th September 2020. If you like this bulletin, then you must be like it, subscribe and share it. Till then, goodbye.
आइए हम आपको आज बताते हैं कि किस तरह से आपको लिमटी की लालटेन समाचार एजेंसी इंडिया या साई न्यूज़ को सब्सक्राइब करना है। आपके पास यूट्यूब होगा, आप यूट्यूब खोलिए। यूट्यूब में आप सर्च बटन पर ऊपर जाइए, ऊपर सर्च बटन पर आप टाइप करिए LIMTY स्पेस दीजिए KHARE। इसके बाद आप एंटर दबाइए। जैसे ही आप एंटर दबाते हैं तो ये पेज खुल जाएगा। यहाँ पेज में आप देखिएगा ये इस तरीके का नज़ारा आपको दिखेगा। इसके साथ ही आप यहाँ देखिए LIMTY KHARE आपको लिखा दिख रहा है। इसके बाजू में आप राइट साइड में देखिएगा यहाँ सब्सक्राइब बटन दिख रहा है। ये सब्सक्राइब बटन अभी लाल रंग का दिख रहा है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को आपको क्लिक करना है। जैसे ही आप ये सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करेंगे आप देखिए इसका रंग लाल नहीं रह जाएगा। ये आपने सब्सक्राइब की जगह सब्सक्राइब्ड लिखा आ गया, आपने इसको सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है, पर अभी आपका काम पूरा नहीं हुआ है। अभी आपको इसके बाजू में आप देखिए एक घंटी का बटन आपको दिख रहा है। ये घंटी का बटन आपको दिख रहा है। ये घंटी का बटन आप इसको अगर घंटी के बटन को प्रेस करेंगे तो 3 ऑप्शन आते हैं, ऑल, पर्सनलाइज्ड और नन। तो इसमें आपको ऑल बटन को पुश करना है। आप जैसे ही आप देखिएगा ये ऑल बटन पुश करते हैं, हाईलाइटेड हो जाती है घंटी। इसके बाद जितने भी समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया पर वीडियोस डलेंगे सारे के सारे वीडियोस आपको तुरंत दिख जाएंगे, देखने को मिल जाएंगे। ये हम आपको जो दिखा रहे हैं किस तरीके से आपको समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया को की चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है। ये पर्सनलाइज्ड और उसके बाद सब्सक्राइब बटन दबाइए, लाल के बाद वो लाल रंग नहीं